Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, today we're going to go ahead and use Dreambox to help us with a strategy or skill we've been working on in class, multiplying fractions by fractions. I'm going to show you using Dreambox how to use this area model. So in this lesson, it says build and shade 1/3 of the unit square. So the first thing we need to do is take this 1 unit square, and we can take this 1/3. You can put it anywhere you want. I'm going to put it right there. Please work, please work, please work. Hello. 1/3. Come on, baby. Okay, try it again. Okay, so 1/3. So I've created thirds, and I just need to shade in any one of those thirds. So build and shade 1/3 of the unit square. There it is. I did it. Check. Now I'm going to do double shading. So it says build and shade 1/11 of 1/3. So now I need to take this 1/11 and I'm going to put it up here in this drop zone. And now I have 11 columns going up and down. And the directions say build and shade 1/11 of 1/3. Well, this orange part is my 1/3. I want to shade 1/11 of this orange shaded 1/3 part. So there it is. I basically double shade it. This pink area represents 1/11 of 1/3. And now I'm going to go ahead and represent that as an expression or an equation. So there it is, 1 times 1. She's going to talk a little bit. I muted her because I didn't want to hear the directions because I already know that. So multiplying fractions, you know I love, 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 right? Love, love, isn't that cute? Love multiplying fractions because all I do is multiply across the numerators. 1 times 1 is 1. That represents the 1 double shaded pink region. I'm going to use the slash on my keyboard for my fraction. My denominators, 11 times 3 is 33. So there are 33 individual pieces here. So I have double shaded 1 out of a total of 33 parts. So 1/11 of 1/3 equals 1/33. 33rd. So here's another one. Build and shade 1/2 of the unit square. Here's the unit square, 1/2. I'm going to click it, drag it. You can put it any drop zone up here or over here. It doesn't matter. So now I haven't shaded in. I'm going to shade in 1/2. Doesn't matter which half. This half, it doesn't matter. Click the check. And now I want to build. First, I have to build. Build and then shade in 1/5 of the 1/2. Here's the 1/2. I want to take this 1/2 and partition it into 5 equal parts. Well, there's my 5th. Click, drag it into the drop zone. My computer's a little slow. Hello, computer. Click and drag it into there we go. So here's my 1/2. I want to shade in 1/5 of the 1/2. So there are 5 parts here. I'm simply going to shade in one of those. So I've double shaded. I've double shaded 1/5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1/5 of this 1/2. And now I'm going to represent it as a numerical expression or equation. 1 times 1 is 1. There's my 1 double shaded area. And I use the slash. 5 times 2 is 10. So I have 1 double shaded pink area, and I have a total of 10 parts. So 1/5 of 1/2 equals 1/10. Yay. And you just sing a little song while you wait. There we go. Now we're building and shading 1/11 of the unit square. Here's my unit square, 1 unit square. When I take this 1/11, I can drop it here and it would make columns, or I could drop it here and it would make rows. It really doesn't matter. I'm gonna click, drag, hope my computer works. So now my unit square has been partitioned into 11 equal rows. Okay. Oh, did you see what I forgot to do? I forgot to shade. I'm going to shade in anyone. Hello. There we go. See, I make mistakes, a lot of mistakes. Now I want to build, and then I'm going to shade 1/9 of this orange 11th. So this is 1/11. I want to take this 11th and cut it up into 9 equal parts. So you notice there is no 9th here, but I know my multiplication. 1/3 times 1/3 gives me 1/9. So now this 1/11 that I first shaded in has been partitioned into 9 smaller parts. And build and shade 1/9 of the 1/11. Here's the 1/11. I'm simply going to shade in one of those ninths. And I'm almost done too. So now I'm going to represent it in a numerical expression or equation, because now I'm going to go ahead and write the product. 1 times 1 is 1, and that 1, that numerator, represents the one tile that I shaded. I'm going to use the slash on my keyboard. 9 times 11 is 99. There are 99 little tiles here. So I have shaded 1/9 of 1/11. And my product, my double shaded area, is 1/99. Yay, I got it correct. Whew. And there we go. So there was just a quick little tutorial on using Dreambox and area model to multiply fractions and double shading. Enjoy. I hope you do well. If you have any questions, just let me know.